Tea is a beverage enjoyed around the world. You can make it by pouring hot water onto tea leaves and allowing them to steep for several minutes so their flavor infuses into the water. Drinking tea has been associated with many health benefits, including protecting cells from damage and reducing the risk of heart disease. Some studies have even found that tea may enhance weight loss and help fight belly fat. Certain types have been found to be more effective than others at achieving this. Below are 6 of the best teas for increasing weight loss and decreasing body fat. Number 1. Green tea. Green tea is one of the most well-known types of tea, and is linked with many health benefits. It's also one of the most effective teas for weight loss. There is substantial evidence linking green tea to decreases in both weight and body fat. Over the course of the study, those who drank green tea lost 7.3 pounds (3.3 kilograms) than the placebo group. Green tea is high in a type of antioxidants called catechins, and has been associated with weight loss and fat loss. Number 2. Puerh tea. Puerh tea is a type of Chinese black tea that has been fermented. It is often enjoyed after a meal, and has an earthy aroma that tends to develop the longer it's stored. Human and animal studies show that puerh tea extract may help enhance weight loss while also lowering both blood sugar and blood triglyceride levels. Number 3. Black tea. Black tea is a type of tea that has undergone more oxidation than other types, such as green, white or oolong teas. One study of 111 people found that drinking 3 cups of black tea each day for 3 months significantly increased weight loss and reduced waist circumference, compared to drinking a caffeine-matched control beverage. Number 4. Oolong tea. Oolong tea is a traditional Chinese tea that has been partially oxidized, putting it somewhere between green tea and black tea in terms of oxidation and color. Studies show that oolong tea may help reduce weight and body fat by increasing metabolism and improving fat burning. Number 5. White tea. White tea stands out among other types of tea because it is minimally processed and harvested while the tea plant is still young. The benefits of white tea are well studied, and range from improving oral health to killing cancer cells. In some test tube studies, found that white tea extract may increase fat loss. However, not much research in humans currently exists, and more is needed. Number 6. Herbal tea. Herbal teas involve the infusion of herbs, spices and fruits in hot water. Popular herbal tea varieties include rooibos tea, ginger tea, rosehip tea and hibiscus tea. Some studies have found that herbal teas, including rooibos tea, may help reduce weight and increase fat loss. Though many people drink tea solely for its soothing quality and delicious taste, each cup may also pack many health benefits. Replacing high-calorie beverages like juice or soda with tea could help reduce overall calorie intake and lead to weight loss. Additionally, many types of tea are especially high in beneficial compounds like flavonoids, which could aid in weight loss as well. If you like this video, give a thumbs up and share your friends. If you want to more update and tips, subscribe to the channel.